Best options for your home self-defense shotgun package. Prepare to fortify your castle with the ultimate home defense shotgun package, meticulously curated to safeguard your realm and grant you the tranquility of mind you deserve. Unleash the power of choice. In this video, we present some excellent options for building your custom home self-defense shotgun package. These carefully selected firearms offer versatility, power, and peace of mind. One size doesn't always fit all when it comes to safety. When selecting the ideal shotgun for home defense, the Benelli Supernova should certainly be part of your considerations. As a pump-action shotgun known for its durability, ease of use, and effectiveness, although originally created for combat applications, it works just as effectively when deployed for home protection. One of the hallmark features of the Benelli Supernova is its short barrel and light construction, which make it highly maneuverable in tight quarters. Furthermore, unlike most pump-action shotguns available today, such as Mossberg or Remington shots, its price point makes this option accessible for even average homeowners. You can purchase the Benelli Supernova for approximately $450. Supernova shotguns feature an 18.5-inch barrel length and an overall length up to 39.75 inches. Their weight ranges between 7.5 and 8 pounds. Their 4-round magazine tube can hold only 2 shells due to a plug. This ensures legality when bird hunting. However, adding an extension could give 3 additional shots for use. Benelli Supernova shotguns stand out thanks to their ghost ring sights, which provide superior aiming compared to bead sights. Furthermore, their top receiver has been equipped with taps and holes so as to be compatible with optic mounts or rails, so you can install optics for enhanced aiming and target acquisition. Benelli Supernova shotguns offer customization options with interchangeable buttstocks and interchangeable barrels to meet individual preferences and tailor them specifically to the user. Their flexibility enables tailoring a weapon specifically to their user's individual needs and wants. The Mossberg 500 is one of the most beloved shotguns available to Americans today, making an impactful home defense weapon and top contender for hunters alike, long popular since 1961 and still producing models to this day. Reliable performance combined with ease of use makes the Mossberg 500 an invaluable option that remains beloved among law enforcement, homeowners, and civilians. What separates the Mossberg 500 is its versatility and affordability, not simply an imitation of Remington 870 introduced specifically as competition. While Remington may offer refined features more suitable for hunting purposes than this workhorse variant does, Mossberg 500 remains ideal as home defense weapon with various variations available, allowing it to meet both goals simultaneously. One of the outstanding features of the Mossberg 500 is its interchangeable buttstocks, making swapping out stocks easy to adjust your shotgun to suit your preferred length or pull or switch out for one with increased comfort levels. Furthermore, barrels can easily be switched out for different shooting scenarios, allowing greater customization options and customization choices for various shooting situations. The Mossberg 500 stands alone when it comes to reliability. Crafted to ensure intense use in challenging environments, you can count on it for home defense or field use without fail. You're assured it'll perform just when needed most. Mossberg 500's ergonomic design also sets it apart, featuring user-friendly features that make it simple and straightforward for operation and handling, such as intuitive controls that enable quick response in high-pressure scenarios and weight distribution that facilitate comfortable maneuvering under all types of circumstances. The Mossberg 500 comes equipped with numerous optional accessories and upgrades, from pistol grips for increased comfort to optic mounts that enable users to personalize it according to their individual optic preferences and accessories. It even supports customizing optic mounts. Selecting an effective firearm to defend one's home can be a daunting task, which makes the Remington 870 an increasingly popular choice among homeowners. Recognized for its reliability, durability, and ease of use features, making this pump-action shotgun one of the most reliable firearms available for home defense today. One reason the Remington 870 remains a popular home defense choice is due to its wide user familiarity. Being such an iconic firearm with over 11 million units sold globally means there's likely been at least some experience using this shotgun for yourself. This familiarity gives users confidence in handling it effectively and increases proficiency when handling this gun effectively. Remington 870s are known for being versatile firearms that excel at home defense but can also be used for other tasks ranging from dealing with garden pests to recreational shooting. Their pump-action mechanism offers greater power compared to standard shotguns while being compatible with various kinds of ammunition ranging from lethal to non-lethal types. The Remington 870 features modularity that enables customization to meet individual preferences. For instance, its long barrel can be replaced by one more suitable for home defense scenarios. An individual also has the option to change cruiser-type rear stocks if its factory ones do not provide adequate comfort. Remington 870's standout feature is its rugged receiver. Crafted from the solid billet of steel, its remarkable durability ensures longevity and dependability no matter the environment in which you use it. Furthermore, twin action bars ensure smooth bind-free operation for improved reliability and user convenience. With its long-standing tradition of reliability, the Remington 870 instills confidence among users when protecting homes and loved ones. Offering the perfect combination of power, precision, and ease of handling, it provides users with peace of mind during high-pressure scenarios. If you need an effective shotgun to defend against home intruders, look no further than the Beretta 1301 Tactical. This semi-automatic shotgun stands out with its modern design, excellent reliability, and fast cycling rate, making it an excellent pick if you require large volumes of shells quickly. One of the standout features of the Beretta 1301 Tactical is its capacity. As a gas-operated semi-automatic shotgun designed specifically for home defense, its high rate of fire and fast follow-up shots make this weapon highly reliable and precise. Furthermore, its magazine tube holds 6 3-inch shells or 7 2.75-inch shells to give you plenty of firepower in any given home defense scenario. Ergonomic performance of the Beretta 1301 Tactical is superb. At just 37.8 inches overall length, its short overall length makes it highly maneuverable in tight spaces, making it suitable for close quarters encounters. Furthermore, the stock features adjustable length of pull adjustments with multiple spacers available to ensure proper fitting and shooting comfort. Plus, there's adjustable cast and drop, giving you total customization over your shooting experience. The Beretta 1301 Tactical is packed with side options and comes equipped with optional aircraft-grade aluminum Picatinny rail on its receiver for convenient attachment of optics and accessories to enhance aiming capabilities and tailor it specifically to meet individual requirements. Furthermore, an interchangeable choke system gives users plenty of choice in choosing an optimal choke configuration to meet individual requirements. Recoil management is another highlight of the Beretta 1301 Tactical. Utilizing a cold hammer forged barrel helps minimize muzzle flip and improve accuracy, giving you confidence to fire accurately even under high-stress situations. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of shotgun excellence. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Let's continue empowering each other through knowledge. Until next time, keep safe.